5 things the dangers of banks. What you need to know. Banks are a fundamental part of modern society. They provide a safe and secure place for individuals and businesses to store their money, access credit, and make financial transactions. However, like any institution, banks can also present certain dangers that individuals need to be aware of. In this article, we will discuss some of the potential risks associated with banks and what you need to know to protect yourself. 1. Identity theft. Identity theft is a major concern in today's world, and banks can be a prime target for hackers and cybercriminals. These criminals can use stolen personal information to open fraudulent accounts, take out loans, and make unauthorized purchases. To protect yourself, it's important to monitor your accounts regularly for any unusual activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. To prevent identity theft, it is important to safeguard your personal information, such as your social security number, bank account numbers, and credit card information. Be wary of sharing this information online or over the phone, and regularly monitor your accounts for any unauthorized activity. 2. Fraudulent practices. While banks are generally trustworthy institutions, there have been cases of fraudulent practices in the past. For example, banks have been known to charge excessive fees, misrepresent financial products, and engage in other deceptive practices. To avoid falling victim to such scams, it's important to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of any financial product or service you are considering. To protect yourself from fraud and scams, it is important to be cautious and skeptical of any unsolicited offers or requests for personal information. Always verify that the person or institution you are dealing with is legitimate before providing any sensitive information or sending money. 3. Economic instability. Banks play a crucial role in the economy, but they can also contribute to economic instability. Banks can create and sell complex financial products that are difficult to understand, and if these products fail, it can lead to a financial crisis. In addition, banks can engage in risky lending practices that can lead to defaults and bankruptcies. To protect yourself, it's important to diversify your investments and not rely solely on any one financial institution. 4. Cybersecurity threats. As more and more financial transactions move online, banks have become increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks. These attacks can take many forms, including phishing scams, malware infections, and denial-of-service attacks. To protect yourself, it's important to use strong passwords, keep your software up to date, and be wary of suspicious emails or links. To protect yourself from cybersecurity threats, it is important to use strong passwords and regularly update your security software. You should also avoid using public Wi-Fi networks to access your bank accounts, as these networks can be easily compromised. 5. Bank failures. Although rare, bank failures can still occur, especially during times of economic turmoil. If a bank fails, it can lead to the loss of deposited funds and the disruption of financial services. To protect yourself, it's important to choose a bank that is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, or another similar agency in your country. The FDIC insures deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. Insolvency and bankruptcy. Banks can also face financial troubles, which can result in insolvency and bankruptcy. In such cases, customers may lose their deposits, and their access to credit and other financial services can be severely limited. It is crucial to research the financial stability of a bank before depositing your money, and to spread your savings across different banks to minimize the risk. Systemic risk. The banking sector is an integral part of the economy, and any disruptions or failures in the sector can have far-reaching consequences for the entire economy. This is known as systemic risk, and it can lead to financial crises and recessions. While individual customers cannot control systemic risk, it is essential to be aware of the risks and to take steps to protect your finances in case of economic downturns. Bankworld News. There are many followers who rely on content to stay informed and make informed decisions about their financial future. From breaking news to expert interviews and in-depth analysis, this channel provides its viewers with everything they need to stay abreast of the latest trends and developments in the world of business. With a commitment to accuracy and impartiality, Bankworld News it has become a resource for anyone who wants to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of business and finance. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just someone who wants to stay informed, Bankworld News is the YouTube channel for you. Don't forget to press follow, like, share and support monthly members to receive updates before anyone else. Thank you. Bank of America. Money. Bank. Silicon Valley Bank. World. News. Breaking news. World news.